Unlock the secret to cinematic slow motion on your Sony A7 IV and transform your everyday shots into epic moments. First, ensure your camera is powered on and set to movie mode. Navigate to the menu by pressing the menu button. Once in the menu, we'll be looking for shooting mode settings. Use the rear dial to scroll through the tabs. We're aiming for the movie shooting settings, typically represented by a movie camera icon. Within the movie shooting settings, find and select Rec Frame Rate. This is where we control the speed of our recordings. You'll see a list of frame rate options for slow motion. You'll want to select a higher frame rate. Common choices are 6OP, 10OP, or 12OP. The higher the number, the more dramatic the slow motion effect will be. Click to select your desired frame rate. Now, let's refine the look. Go back to the main movie shooting settings menu and find Picture Profile. For maximum flexibility in editing, I recommend using a picture profile like Slog 3. This captures a wider dynamic range, allowing you to grade the colors and adjust exposure more effectively. When you slow down your footage, select your preferred profile and press the center button. With your frame rate and picture profile set, simply hit the movie record button to start capturing your slow motion action. Back in your editing software, you'll now be able to drastically slow down this footage to create stunning, buttery smooth slow motion sequences. Experiment with different frame rates and picture profiles to find the perfect slow motion style for your next project.